Hello, everybody. Welcome to Dude with a Fork. My name is Ken. On this video, I just wanted to show you, I do have a website that I'm adding content to all the time. I'm trying to avoid making things overly complicated. I just want to get you the information you're looking for. So let's take a look. All right, so here's the website. It is at dudewithafork.com. It's as simple as I could make it. I don't want things to be too complicated. I don't want a lot of fussy stuff. Too many ads and scripts that make it take forever to load. This website loads really fast, even on mobile. So life is too short for lousy food is the tagline, because it's true. And so if you go here, here's across the top here, all the categories. So homepage always brings you here. Recipes, these are listed by the type of recipes they are. Techniques. I haven't done anything with that yet, but I've got a few different things I want to show you, so I thought I'll have a separate category for that. Hauls, Aldi, Target, and Trader Joe's. Reviews, because I am starting to review some food products that are out there, and not food things, but food-related things. Food science, I'll say more about that later. Link to my YouTube account and my Patreon account. I am releasing some free stuff on Patreon, and there's also some stuff there if you're a subscriber. It's very low cost right now, so because there's not a lot there. But anyway, about the new copyright nutrition information. So this tells you all about where I get my nutrition information on labels, and no nutrition label, even ones on commercial food products, are 100% accurate. And certainly the information I give you is not going to be 100% accurate, but it's ballparkish. So if you click on a recipe, I'll show you this real quick here. My phone keeps going off. I'm sorry. So here's the YouTube video. This was my latest one, Cowboy Hot Pot, which is amazing. And here you go. Easy to make and easy on the budget. Here's how to have a family-friendly meal on the table in an hour or less. And here's the, if you've watched this video, I made some Yorkshire puddings to go with it, which were just amazing. And here's the link to that. And then here's the recipe. There's no big, long discussion about how, my family emigrated to the United States, 400 years ago as Andalusian sheep herders. And, all we had were carrots and four beans and all of that stuff. And, you always get these big, long stories. And the reason is I've been told that, they're the people that make food websites are competing for search engine optimization. So they want their recipe to show up at the top of the search results. And I'm like, but okay, you're at the top of the results, but the product that you're showing me is so terrible because I have to read through page after page after page after page of things that are not related to the recipe. And then you notice one other thing that happened here. There's no pop-up saying join my mailing list. There's no pop-up saying like me on Facebook. I find those really annoying because, first of all, why would I like you on Facebook if I haven't even seen the recipe yet? Why would I want to sign up for your email list when I haven't seen your recipe yet? And I was having this discussion with somebody, and they said, well, there's usually a button there that says, jump to the recipe. And I'm like, well, that's exactly it. That's the problem. If I have to have a button that skips over a whole bunch of basically worthless information, and a lot of times it's stuff like, how do you serve this? Well, you put it on a plate. That's how you serve it. You put some vegetables on the side. That's how you serve it. People can figure these things out for themselves. They're just trying to fill up space. So, having a jump to recipe button is like having a, do not blow up button in your car. You shouldn't need something like that. So you get to the recipe here right away. And again, these prep time, cook time, total time, these are approximate. These are for me. If you've got help doing prep, it'll take you less time. If you're, not very skilled in the kitchen, some of this is going to take you a little bit longer. So, and the recipe here's the servings. The recipe is based on the default number of servings here. So this is based on 6 servings. So it starts with a half pound of ground beef and a pound of potatoes. But you can slide this over. So if you want to make 10 servings, then this is what you're going to need. And if you're going to make 12 servings, it should basically just double everything. Okay, so this is the recipe quantities for 12 servings, but the default in this case is 6. So we'll go back to that, but you can adjust it. You can also go double the recipe or triple the recipe if you have a larger family or larger group of people you're feeding with this. And then the nutrition facts. And then you can always comment and let us know if you liked it or not. You can leave a rating. You can leave a comment. If you have a question about something that's not clear, please leave a comment. I will answer those right away. And if you print it, it takes you to a very printable page. So, and again, no ads, no scripts, no pop-ups, loads fast. That's what I was going for. And by the way, it looks really good on mobile. So let's take a look at that next. And here's the site on mobile. It looks fairly good. Simple, easy to get to things that you're looking for. Here's that Instant Pot lasagna again. That was so amazing. I need to make that again. I keep forgetting to buy mozzarella cheese, but anyway. So all of the stuff that you see on the main website on desktop is there. And if you go to the bottom, there's all the stuff that's on the sidebar, the latest posts, social media links, how to log in, but you don't need to worry about that. The search bar. And then if we go way back to the top, there's a little hamburger icon here. You click on that, and there's that menu, home, recipes. Oh, what did I do? Category recipe. I clicked on the wrong thing. Click on this little down arrow, and you can see the subcategories there. So techniques, hauls, Aldi, Target, Trader Joe. I haven't been out shopping a lot lately, so I need to do that again, probably after the holidays. Reviews, food science, which I haven't done anything with yet, but I will. I'm not a food scientist, but I have a background in biology and chemistry. So link to the YouTube channel, link to my Patreon, some about information, and then contact information if you want to contact me. Here's a handy form that works on mobile. So there it is. Thank you. And there you go, folks. Thanks for taking a look. If you head over to my website, please feel free to leave comments there. If you have questions, anything like that you need to communicate to me, you can leave a comment on this video, or there is that handy contact form over there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay sane, and power to the proletariat. See you around.